Hello, digital creators. I'm Dave Basulto. Today, we're diving into the world of Canva, an incredibly user-friendly graphic design tool. Whether you're designing for work, school, or just for fun, Canva has got you covered. So let's get started. First, let's understand what Canva is all about. Now, Canva is a graphic design platform that allows you to create stunning visuals with ease. It's perfect for those without any graphic design background, yet powerful enough for the seasoned pros. Today, we're going to cover how to navigate the app, use templates, and customize your own design. So this is canva.com, not the app yet, but I wanted to show you that it's got tons of things from posters, resumes, logos, docs, whiteboards, presentations, social videos, on and on and on. Whatever you can possibly want, Canva can help you create. Now, Canva has a free and a pro version, plus a big enterprise model, which we're not going to talk about today. Now, the free version, you can do a lot of amazing things in it. I'm going to log into my pro version to kind of show you what the difference is between that. So after downloading Canva from the App Store or Google Play, you'll need to sign up. Now, you can use your Google, your Apple, your Facebook account, or just continue with an email. Once you're in, you're going to be greeted by a wide range of designs. So I'm going to go back here and just log into my account. It's always very friendly and saying, hey, ready to jump back in? So I'm going to choose my iographer account. We're going to go in there. Now, Canva offers thousands of templates for virtually anything you want to create. From social media posts to presentations, you're going to find a template that you need. Let's take a simple template right now and let's customize it. So with Valentine's Day coming up, there's some whole bunch of options here for that. I can type in up here what I'm looking for, sports or marketing, or it's near the holidays, Black Friday, you name it, it's all up there. Since there is, and there's also featured collections here, which are great. If you're ever looking to do a infographic, they have amazing infographics on here. I'm going to go in here and click on Design with Love for Valentine's Day, and I'm going to see if I can find something that we can use for Valentine's Day. Just maybe something I can throw up on Instagram. So let's take a look at some square stuff here. I'm looking at all this stuff here. There's some vertical things. I'm trying, if you see things moving, those are videos that you can create. Another thing to keep in mind, if you see the little icon down here that says Pro, and it has a little crown, that's the Pro plan only. Don't make the mistake of going in there and finding a amazing template that you want to use, and all of a sudden you realize it's Pro later and you're on the free plan and you already did all this work. So keep in mind that there's the Pro plan right there. So I'm going to keep scrolling down until I find something very basic that we can start with. Looking pretty difficult. Also, the star right here on any of these means it's a favorite in case you want to look at it later. So let's go in here and let's do social media. And then I'm going to go Instagram posts. Maybe this is a better way for us. And then up here on top, let's see. Do we have anything for Valentine's, climate change, Easter? I'm going to type in Valentine's. Let's see. So now I'm coming up with Valentine's templates for Instagram. So I can see all kinds of stuff here. I can actually pick one of these, say that I want it to be a sale or something. Let me see if there's anything with images here that we can party with. Happy Valentine's Day. So this one's kind of fun and corny. Now, customization is key in Canva. You can change text, add images, and upload your own photos as well. So let's start by editing this template. Okay, so we're going to use this template here. And as you see, if I highlight over things, I'm able to do stuff here. Like if I double click on this, I can now go in here and change the text to happy birthday or whatever I want. I'm going to Command Z to get out of that because I want to keep Happy Valentine's Day. Now let's look over here on the left-hand side. All of these things here that say design elements, all these tabs, allow you to do different things in Canva. So we already picked the design. We're in the design tab. I'm going to go next to elements here. Here's a bunch of things that I can look through if I want to add things to my project here. There's all kinds of interesting graphics and elements, squares and blocks and people running and all kinds of stuff. But once again, keep in mind some stuff might say pro and you won't be able to use it. Underneath that is text. So if I wanted to add more text to that, all I would need to do is click one time. You can see right here in the middle, if I click and drag this around, oh, there it is. There's this text right here, so I can add it wherever I want. I can turn it. I can do all kinds of stuff like that. Okay, let's get out of that now. I'll just Command Z to undo. Here's my camera roll, so I can actually go onto the camera roll and find some cool videos if I want. Here's my brand. So if I have my brand set up, I can go and things like that. Here's my uploads. So I'm going to do kind of a demo on my iPad Pro case that we have. So I'm dragging this over here. I let it go and it goes right into the slot right there. I'm going to double click on it once and that way I can move over and make it more centered. Press the enter key on the keyboard or just double tap. So now I've got my own image there of one of my products that I have. I'm going to go in the middle and create another one. So I'm going to select that image, drag it over here until it locks, and there's number 2. And we'll go down to this third image. I'm going to drag it over here, and there's number 3. So I'm going to leave that there. Now I might want to, if I scroll down a little bit here, I can probably find my amazing logo. So let's see what I have. These are all images, by the way, that I've uploaded to Canva. So you can go in here and upload your own photos or use the Canva stuff. Here's my logo for Myographer. I can resize it with my finger and try and put it somewhere that'll be seen, but not obnoxiously seen. So maybe inside the heart a little bit. I'll leave that there. That looks nice. So this is it. This is how you can go in here and just do stuff. Uploads, we can go to the left here. If I wanted to draw anything, I can go in there and draw stuff. So I'll pick this red pen and I can do stuff like that. Of course, I don't draw very well with my finger, so I'm not going to do that. Underneath that are projects. So I can make this as a project if I want to, but we're going to do a separate video on projects. Here's Canva apps, which we don't need right now. And here are photos. These are, if you have the Pro plan, you have access to different types of photos and things like that. Backgrounds down here. And then these are some other things that I've created. So let me just take a look at the font down here. Maybe it's cute, but maybe it's a little bit too unreadable because of its cursive like that. So I can go in here where it says the name of the font, and I have access to tons of different fonts here. And maybe I want something boring like a Comic Sans or something. Or maybe I want Cardo. Let's see. I don't even know what Cardo is, but we're going to use Cardo. And Futura is nice. Just picking some different random fonts that are more readable in my opinion. So that's fun, but I don't really think it goes with the theme. I'm going to Command Z to get back to where we were. Now, talking about the color palette, if I go up to the left right here and click on that once, these are the colors in the color palette. I can then click on them. Maybe I don't like that pink so much, and I want it lighter like that. I can change it. I can also click on the solid colors and start to do something like that. I can create a gradient. Maybe I want a gradient like that or something. You know, we can do all kinds of things like that. Maybe I want it more, let's go more red for Valentine's. So maybe I want something like that as a gradient. I actually like that, so I'm going to leave that alone. So we can do all kinds of fun stuff. Let me click on this right now. If I click on the white, it changes it back to white, etc. I'm going to go back out of this, go back into my gradient. All right, let's get out of there. I can also choose different backgrounds. So here are some of the backgrounds that we have options to. In case I don't want that regular background, I like this bokeh kind of look, is really cool. I might keep something like that now. But as you can see, you can dive deep into this rabbit hole and always come up with something amazing. And if you make a mistake, there's an undo button ready for you to fix. So once you're happy with your design, it's time to save and share. Canva lets you download it in different formats like PNG, JPEG, or PDF. You can also share directly to your social platforms too. So up here in the top right near my face is a little share button. If I click on that once, I can now do a bunch of stuff. So let's take a quick look at that. I can collaborate. If I click the little plus button next to this, I can email people and invite them to a Canva team that I want so that they can have access to a document I'm sharing. So maybe if you're a teacher, you want other teachers in the department to have access and give their opinion or add things to it, they have options to do all that. So let's get out of that. I can also copy the link, share it to people to take a look at before I do the final download. But if I go down here, I see download. Here it says download as PNG. I can change it to PDFs. Maybe I'm going to print this. I can save it as an SVG, which is for animations mostly, or MPEG for video. If I'm making a video, I can also make animated GIFs. So those are really fun to do as well. We'll do a GIF video in another video. So this is really cool. I'm just going to choose PNG for now. Now, underneath it, if I have the advanced plan, which I have, you'll see the little thing next to it. I can resize it. I can transparent background. So maybe I want it to go on another thing that will see through. I can compress the file to make it smaller and for uploads. And I can save my download settings. Let's go back before I download it. I can also click share on social. Here's every social platform. You can just go from Canva to social platform. You can schedule them too. And then I can print here with Canva. If I need to print something, it has a total option for that. Maybe you've got some incredible design that you want to be on t-shirts. You've got the option for that as well. And down here it says more. You can create a QR code. You can do a ton of things. So this is a lot of fun to play with. I'm going to go into more details about all the options in other videos. This video, I just really wanted you to get up and running and learn how to create some stuff. And that's it. Once I'm done, I can go down here and press download, and we're going to download it. It's downloading down below to my iPad. Then I can upload it to anywhere I want to. So you've just created a stunning design in Canva. The possibilities are endless, and let's explore and let your creativity flow. So that's it. You've just created a stunning design using Canva. The possibilities are endless. So explore and let your creativity flow. Now, don't forget to please subscribe for more tips and tricks on digital content creation. I'm Dave Basulto. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.